Hello everyone, welcome to the Bug Expert channel. In this video, we will talk about solutions for friends who encounter Darktide error code. This error is usually caused by the Easy Anti-Cheat program not working properly. The reason for this may occur due to the antivirus program blocking the Easy Anti-Cheat software. Of course, it is not only due to the blocking of the antivirus system, but also due to the corrupt or incomplete installation of the application. For this, we will try to solve the problem by telling you a few suggestions. Before we show you solutions, we will briefly talk about the forum. You can forward various errors you encounter to the community on the forum portal we have opened. For this, if your problem continues or if you encounter a different problem, you can get a quick response by sharing it on the forum portal. We care about your questions and suggestions. We can eliminate the problem by disabling the install system service found in the system configuration. To perform this operation, you can perform the following suggestions. For this, let's write msconfig in the start search screen and open it. Click on the general option on the screen that opens and select the selective startup option. Then, if the installation system services option is enabled, disable it and click the apply button and save. After performing this operation, you can restart your computer and check if the problem persists. Disable any antivirus program you are using or delete it completely from your computer. If you are using Windows Defender, disable it. For this, let's write virus and threat protection on the start search screen and open it. Click on the Manage Settings option on the screen that opens and scroll down the menu and click on the Managed Controlled Folder Access option. After this process, let's disable the Controlled Folder Access option and come back. Let's turn off the real-time protection that comes up and go down again and click on the Add or Remove Exclusions option. Click on the Add an Exclusion option on the screen that opens, select the folder and select the folders where the Darktide game is installed and save. Since I don't have the game installed, I added any folder as an example. After the save process is complete, you can run the game and check if the problem persists. If your problem persists, we can fix this problem by installing Easy Anti-Cheat software in Darktide game. For this, let's reach the Darktide game folder. Let's reach the Easy Anti-Cheat folder in the game folder. After this process, let's run the Easy Anti-Cheat setup program by double-clicking it. By default, the Darktide game will be selected on the screen that opens. After this process, let's perform the installation process by clicking the Install Easy Anti-Cheat button. If Easy Anti-Cheat is installed, there will be a repair button. To do this, click the Repair Easy Anti-Cheat button to perform the repair and check if the problem persists. If your problem persists, run the Easy Anti-Cheat setup program again in the same way and click the Uninstall option in the lower left corner to uninstall it. Then, let's run the program again and perform the install process and check. If your problem persists, we can prevent such errors by turning off the Windows 10 driver signature. For this, let's type cmd in the start search screen and run it as an administrator. Let's paste the code in the article in the command prompt window that opens and press enter. After the processes are completed, you can restart the computer and check if the problem persists. We will verify the game file integrity and ensure that any missing or incorrect files are scanned and downloaded. For this, let's reach the library menu by running the Steam application. Then verify the file integrity of the game by following the steps as I show in the video and check if the problem persists. Yes, in this video we have provided information on how to fix the Darktide error code. If you are encountering various errors, you can reach the community with your questions by accessing the forum portal we have opened. By supporting us, we can expand our community. Thank you.